Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can make cold brew coffee using your French press with our Bizzy Cold Brew grounds. Just a few quick steps and you'll have cold brew all week. So let's get started. So first off, what you're going to want to do is open up your French press. After that, you're going to want to add 1.5 cups of coffee to the French press. So let's get those measured out. Smells amazing. Okay, so now that we've added our 1.5 cups of coffee to the French press, next we're gonna add 3 cups of water. So here's the first 2. And when you pour these, you can just kind of pour all over the ground so you get everything nice and wet. And then what I like to do after I've poured my coffee in is grab a long stir or spoon and just kind of mix everything down to make sure all the grounds are nice and coated and wet. Basically, you'll want your grounds to look like this, and you kind of want to make sure they're all coated. Let this sit at room temperature for 14 to 20 hours. It's been about 18 hours since we made our cold brew, so now we are going to push our French press down and drink some cold brew. So here we go. All right, so we've done that. So now let's get a glass. And we'll grab some ice. This is a concentrate, so you're gonna wanna add 1 part of the cold brew to the glass and 2 parts water. All right, so we're adding our 1 part of cold brew to the glass. And let's add our water. And now we've added our water to the glass. And I like to have a little cream in mine, so I'm gonna add a little cream. And give it a good stir. And enjoy.